I had too much fun making the slow motion videos, so since I'm gonna cut some more, I might as well explain. I built the body of this out of spruce. It was a spruce limb. I don't know what that is. I found it. And then this handle and this part is made out of maple. So like the other whole body of the Snaf I made before, it's nice and lightweight. It's relatively light in general, but not as light as the one I bought. But I like it. It's really comfortable. So, and I'm having too much fun using it. So I'm gonna finish mowing. Oh, and I've been mowing around the flowers. So that's kind of why I'm doing weird spots like I am. To mention, I'll explain the different flowers I leave for the yard to grow, so that'll be another video. But I got a bunch of different flowers and I'll just take you through them. I learned to identify them and everything. So I'm gonna mow these ones over, but the bigger patches I want to leave, like there's a lot of daisies I'm leaving. That was a bigger problem. Should be fine. Probably the uneven ground. Talk about uneven ground right here. Different angle. Alright, see if I can sharpen my blade a little bit better next time. I have a feeling that was the problem, leaving a stripe.